Myself Dr. Supriya. I am a junior resident in MD Pharmacology at GMC Nagpur. Today we will discuss what are the various career options after MD Pharmacology. Pharmacology is not just about a teaching. MD Pharmacology opens up multiple exciting career paths in academics, research, clinical trials, regulatory affairs, pharma industry and much more. So let's hear directly from the junior resident about her views on career options after EMD pharmacology. So let's welcome Sushma. She is a junior resident in EMD pharmacology. So Sushma, why did you choose EMD pharmacology and what excites you about this branch?
Hello ma'am, thank you for inviting me. And I have chosen MD Pharmacology because I always wanted to try something new. Where in the time where everyone is running up to the clinical branches and even taking the multiple drops, I just wanted to do what interested me. And the MD Pharmacology is not a compromise for me; it is my choice where I can grow, explore, and create my own impact. So I'll also get enough time to travel and enjoy the life along the way.
Yeah, nice. So Sushma, what career options do you think are available after MD pharmacology?
Yes, ma'am. After MD Pharmacology, we can join academics as a teaching professional. We can also join pharmaceutical industries for drug development or pharmacovigilance. We can join regulatory bodies and like DCGI or CDSCO, and even the clinical based or hospital based therapeutic drug monitoring we can do.
Okay. Which career path are you personally interested in?
So, ma'am, for me, the most interesting part is getting international opportunities in pharma industries or in research, so that I can live my dream life of traveling the world.
Okay, nice. So, do you know anyone who are doing great in this field?
Yes, ma'am. I have so many seniors from my UG college only. So many of them have done MD pharmacology, and most of them have finished their DM pharmacology also. As I mentioned while the career options, super specialization is also there after MD pharmacology. So many have done their DM pharmacology. One of my senior ma'am is doing as an assistant professor in KM Hospital Mumbai, and so many seniors are working in pharmaceutical industries like Eli Lilly, Novo Nordisk, and they are working as a safety physician or medical reviewer, and everyone is doing good in their respective jobs.
Okay. Many students are curious what pay scale one can expect after completing MD pharmacology.
Yes, ma'am. After MD pharmacology, if we join as an assistant professor, we can expect around 1.10 to 1.20 lakh per month in government medical colleges. If we join in private medical colleges, it will be slightly lesser than in government medical colleges. And if we join pharmaceutical industries or any clinical organizations as a fresh MD pharmacologist, we can expect 12 to 15 lakh per annum. Initially, it looks average when compared to few clinical branches, but with 5 to 10 years of experience, scale will increase. It can cross 20 to 30 lakhs per annum, and it depends on the work how much we dedicate on our jobs.
Okay. So overall, it depends on what path you choose: academics, clinical research, pharma industry, or regulatory. But yes, the opportunities are stable and growing rapidly, especially with India's expanding pharma sector. So, what advice would you give to MBBS graduates considering MD pharmacology?
So, ma'am, for my juniors, I say that it's a branch with lighter workload, and we can follow our passion, build our hobbies and personality. So, it's not a backup; it's the future from AI to drug discovery. And don't call it a non-clinical, because it's the branch where science meets the future and the passion meets opportunity.
Okay. Thank you, Sushma, for sharing your views.
Thank you, ma'am, for inviting me.
As you can see, EMT pharmacology offers a wide range of opportunities. If you are passionate about drugs, research, and patient safety, this branch might just be the perfect fit for you. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.